Let's make the pulley support. First, go to Assembly, New Component, Standard Type, the name, Pulley Support. And the parent here is this unsave here. Activate, press OK. Now go to Create a Sketch, select the top plane, select a rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here with 100 millimeters. 100 millimeters by 80 millimeters. Now make another rectangle here on this side with 20 millimeters by 50, and make another one here in this side with 20 millimeters by 50. Press OK, go to sketch dimension. The distance of the centers of these two rectangles is 40 millimeters, and the distance between the center of this rectangle and the midpoint here is 20 millimeters. Okay, go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in the midpoint and this point and this point here and this point. That's okay. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select all profile, extrude minus 20 millimeters. Press OK. Active the sketch. Show the sketch here. Okay. Go to extrude, select this rectangle and this rectangle. Extrude this 30 millimeters. Operation join. Press OK. Hide this. Okay. Go to modify, select fillet. Make a fillet here. With 2.5 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Now select hole. Click on this face here. The hole type is contour body. The hole tape type is simple. The drill point angle. Okay. The distance here is 30 millimeters, 15 millimeters, 9 millimeters here, and the diameter here is 9 millimeters. Okay, the reference, click on this edge here, 10 millimeters, and another reference, click on this edge here, 10 millimeters, and press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to rectangular pattern. The object type is feature. Select the object is the hole. Okay. The axis, select this edge here. The distance here, the axis 1, quantity 2, and the distance 60 millimeters. Okay. 9, the axis 2 minus 80 millimeters and quantity 2, and press OK. We have this. Okay, that's good. Now go to modify and select chamfer. The type is equal distance. Select this edge here, this edge here, and this edge. The chamfer here is 5 millimeters, the distance. Press OK. We have this. Okay, that's good. Now go to create and select hole. Select this face here. The reference, select this edge here, 10 millimeters, and reference 2 here. Select this edge. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Okay. The extent is distance. The hole type simple. The hole tape type is taped. 3D offset is offset here. Drill point angle. The distance here 20 millimeters. here is 0, 60 millimeter here, and the angle is correct. Okay, and the size here, select 80 millimeters, M8. That's okay, and press OK. We can select model here. Okay, sorry, and press OK. We have this. That's good. Now go to rectangular pattern. The object type is the feature, and the object is this hole here. Okay, the axis, we can select this. The first axis here, axis 1, is 2 quantity, and the distance here is 30. Okay, and the distance here, the axis 2 is quantity 2, and the distance here is 40 millimeters, and press OK. We have this. Now press letter A in the keyboard. Okay, let's select a color here. Let's say you choose the plastic. And let me select one color here, red. That's okay. We have here, we have the first part here, the puller support. So let's go. Press ESC. Now let's make the bearing. So go to assembly, select the new component. The component name here is bearing. The parent, select the sun save here, and click in activate and press OK. Now go to create a sketch. Select this face here, the face of the pulley support here. Okay, that's okay. Go to 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the center, make a rectangle with the same distance, 50 millimeters by 20 millimeters. That's okay. Just put the dimension here to define this sketch. Okay, finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select this profile here. Let's hide the pulley support and extrude this 30 millimeters and press OK. Select your hole and select this face here. The extend will be all. Select simple here. The diameter is 9 millimeters and make one here. Press OK. Now let's make the same here with 9 millimeters. The distance here is all. Press OK. We have this. Okay, that's good. Now select the hole again and select this face here. The reference one, select this edge. Here is 15 millimeters, and the reference 2 here is 25 millimeters, and the diameter is 50 millimeters, and the distance here is all. Press OK. We have this. Okay, now go to modify and select chamfer. Select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5. Press OK. We have this. And go to chamfer again. Select this edge here and this edge here. The type is equal distance 2 millimeters. Press OK. Now go to body here. Click with the right button of the mouse and create component from this body here. Okay, rename this bearing 1. Copy this, click here, paste new. Okay, we have this. Press OK. Now I show the pulley. Active this and save here. Let's show the body here. We have this, okay. Go to joint and select this face here, the center of this face and the center of this face. The motion here is rigid. Press OK. Now go to joint again. Select the center of this face here and the center of this face. And the motion here is rigid. Press OK. We have this. Press letter A to add some color here. You can choose any one you want, okay? No problem. We have this, okay. Let me hide the joints here. Now let's make the pulley shaft. So go to assembly, select the new component, okay. Rename this pulley shaft. The parent here is this unsafe, okay. Activate, press OK. Let's hide the other components. Go to create and select the front plane. Go to line, construction line. Click here in the midpoint, make a construction line here with 70 millimeters. Now create a line here with 10 millimeters by 5 millimeters. And another line here with 2.5 millimeters. And a line here with 60 millimeters. Okay. Let me make this here, okay. Make another line here. And close this sketch here, okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 40.3 by 2. And the distance here is 1.1 millimeters. Okay. The distance between this line here and this line here is 65 millimeters. That's okay. And here go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this line and this line here, or this point and this point. That's okay. Finish the sketch, go to Revolve features. Oh, sorry, I forgot to close. Go to edit this sketch here. Select line, make a line here, okay. That's okay. Finish here. Go to Revolve. The axis, select this axis here. The operation here, new body, the angle 360, press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters and press OK. We have this. Go to this body here. Press letter A. Let's add some color here. Black, that's okay. Now activate this sketch, this component here, show the other components. Let's move this a little bit, go to joint. Select this point here, okay. And select this point. We have this. It can be fixed, no problem. Rigid, sorry, the type of motion. And press OK. We have this, okay. That's good. Now go to new component. The name here is the adjustment ring. The parent here is the first component here. Okay, press OK. Let's hide this. Go to create and select a left plane or any plane you want. No problem. Select circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle with 20 millimeters of diameter, and make another one with 15 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. Finish the sketch. And go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Extrude this 2 millimeters. Operation new body. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Let's create a component from this body and copy this. Copy, click here, paste new. That's okay. Press OK. Active this on save component here. Let's move this to outside here. Show the other bodies. Okay. Press letter A. Let's make this body black, this component. Okay. Go to joint. Select this, the center, and select the center here. The motion here is rigid. Press OK. Now go to joint again. Select this. And select this edge here. We can flip this. Okay. The motion here is rigid. Press OK. We have this. Now go to assembly, select the new component, rename this to Pulley, and the parent here is this untitled here. Press OK. Let's hide the others component. Okay. Go to create and select the front plane. Select line. Make a line here with 16 millimeters. Make this sketch. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point and the midpoint here is 35 millimeters. Okay, let's drag this a little bit here. Go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, click in this line here. Start in this point, in this point. In this line must be horizontal vertical here. Okay, the line 2. It's over constrained. Go to sketch dimension again. Select this line in this point here. The distance here is 15 by 2. Okay. Here is 3 millimeters. The angle between these two lines here is 39 degrees. Go to constraints and select equal. Select this line and this line. That's okay. Select this line here and this line here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Go to line and select the construction line. Make a construction line here. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile. The axis. Oh, sorry, not Extrude, Revolve. Okay. The axis is this line here. Press OK. Go to modify. Select chamfer. Select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 0.5 millimeters. Press OK. Press letter A. Let's add some color here. Let's choose blue color. That's okay. Active the on title here component, show the others component. Let's move this. Go to joint. Select this edge here, the center. Select this edge here. That's okay. The motion here is revolute. Is the Z, okay, and press OK. We have this. Now to finish this exercise, you can go to insert and select the insert Mcmaster-carr component. It will open. Screw and bolts, system metric, the thread size M8. Select this and let's select a partial thread, 45 partial thread here. Okay, click here, change this to step, 3D step, and download it. It's open here. Okay, that's okay. Press OK. Now go to joint, select this edge here, okay, and select the center here. That's good. The motion here is rigid, and press OK. Now go to create and select rectangular pattern. The object type, select component, select this component here. The axis, select this axis here. The quantity here is 2, and the distance here is -30. Okay, and the component, the axis 2, quantity 2, and the distance here is -40 millimeters. Press OK. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.